Hello players! In an era of dashcams being vastly available in different types and forms, regular drivers still consider a dashcam with a single camera, as long as it is reliable. For me, nothing beats a dashcam that can shoot clearly even at night with dark tint, plus a dependable storage so I'm confident that my important videos are stored properly. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. The main reason we are all investing for a dash camera is one thing. We all need proof in case we encounter an accident. Am I correct? If you're the same as I am, then I'm delighted to introduce to you this new product from Transcend, the Transcend DrivePro 10. Transcend is vastly popular in our market, particularly in the computer industry. Storage devices, hard disk and USB. Those valuable files of yours are stored by Transcend products, and these computer hardware are backed by research to prevent your files from being corrupt. But did you know, Transcend was also one of the first brands to introduce dashcams here in the Philippines? So if you ask me, in terms of product research and reliability, Transcend is your choice. The Transcend DrivePro 10 is compact and minimalist, much like its counterpart, the DrivePro Body 10, also made by Transcend. Yes, Transcend also manufactures body cameras like those being used by our highway patrol at NLEX. Interesting, right? But that's for another review. Let's get back to the Transcend DrivePro 10. First impression is, it's so small. Look at this, side by side with a standard car key. It perfectly hides behind your rearview mirror. Don't take it for granted even if it is so small. This dashcam shoots at 60 frames per second. I'm not sure, but so far this is the first dashcam that can shoot at 60 frames per second, which makes it really impressive. The heart of the Transcend DrivePro 10 is its lens. It is equipped with the latest Sony sensor called Starvis, an upgrade from its successor, which is the Eximor sensor, which shoots at only 30 frames per second. So, why is more frames per second crucial and important for dash cameras? 2 words if I'd answer that. Technology advantage. If your dashcam is capable of shooting 60 frames per second, that gives you an advantage since your video will have more frames. That is important when you need to capture a certain component of a video. Let's say, you need to look for the plate number of a vehicle. The 60 frames per second enables you a window of opportunity to get those details. One of the things you also have to consider is if your dashcam is capable of shooting clear videos in low light conditions, with dark tints installed in the front windshield. Here's a footage taken directly from the Transcend DrivePro 10 with 3M medium dark tint installed in the front windshield. The video is not altered in any way. See and judge for yourself the performance of the Starvis sensor from Transcend. Transcend is impressive as always. The Transcend DrivePro 10 comes with all the standard features. It has Wi-Fi connectivity so you can conveniently download the video that you need by installing their app. That saves you the hassle of ejecting your micro SD card from the dashcam and losing it in your dashboard vents. Just as you, I've lost quite a few micro SD cards too. Speaking of micro SD cards, the Transcend DrivePro 10 comes with a free Transcend Class 10 32GB micro SD card, which is standard to all Transcend dash cameras. The DrivePro 10 is upgradable up to 128GB of micro SD storage. Make sure you purchase Class 10 micro SD cards to ensure that your videos are safe and won't be corrupted. It comes equipped with a built-in Li polymer battery that ensures uninterrupted power to the device. It has a sensor that when your vehicle is parked and a sudden accident occurred, it will automatically turn on and record video to hopefully capture the event. Transcend's DrivePro series of dashcams are backed by 2 years warranty. That's confidence in your product right there. Choose to purchase your Transcend DrivePro 10 at Blade Auto Center, where they will install your dashcam and tuck your wires so it looks professionally mounted. What do you think of the Transcend DrivePro 10? Are you getting one tomorrow? Share us your opinion in the comments section below. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.